My name is Alex Fargas. I come from Barcelona, Spain. I cook in Fofo by El Willy in Central, Spanish contemporary food. So we have done first the traditional cannelloni. We have a duck leg cannelloni with some black truffle and then the bechamel sauce. Then we have done the lobster juicy rice using the steamer to steam the lobster and the rice. Then we finish up with some plankton. It's a special ingredient from the ocean that makes taste the rice very fresh and very unique. And then the last one was the Christmas cake. So we make a sponge cake and fill it with pastry cream and on the top with a chocolate glaze. It has been a great experience to work in Gaggenau kitchen. We've used their oven and all the equipment. It has been a great experience to work for Gaggenau and I hope to be back soon.